My God.
You're listening to Funkyard X, a funk, pop, rock, and jazz group, and they all come together on one stage. The Funkyard Experiment is a Northeast Ohio-based band, started in 2013, and they're inspired by all kinds of funk and rock and pop of the 70s and 80s, with a unique twist of gospel thrown in there just for fun. They have shared the stage with Angie Stone, Bonnie James, and Gerald Albright. They'll perform a special fundraiser for Wayne Dawson's Annie L. Dawson Foundation Saturday, September 17th at the Mitchell's Ultra Lounge in Euclid. So we want to thank those guys for coming in. All right, and away we go. Check this out.